If you are a man over 40 and your mind is always racing, you feel constant stress, like you can't switch off or relax. If you carry the pressure of work, responsibilities, family, and social obligations all the time, then this video here is for you. Today, I will guide you through a very special sound and rhythm. It is extremely powerful and super effective to help you relax, release that pressure, and reconnect with yourself. If you are ready, let's go. Did you know that rhythm and sound can be used for much more than just making music? There are instruments and sound frequencies specially designed to help you shift your emotional and mental state fast. When you combine a focused mindset with sound, it calms your nervous system and breaks the mental loop of stress. Today, I want to introduce you to this amazing instrument, the frame drum. If you are a man over 40, this instrument can do much more than just help you relax. Its frequencies can also support sharper focus and mental clarity, emotional balance, physical relaxation, inner connection, and peace. This video is here to show you, and most of all, let you feel how powerful this sound can be in reducing stress and helping you reconnect with yourself. This session is quick, easy, and simple. If your life is busy and your time is limited, this is perfect for you. But are two things that make this experience truly work. Number one, intention. Your intention is what you want to feel right now. It can be as simple as I deserve and allow myself to calm down. When you set an intention like this, the sound can go deeper and do its work more clearly. Number two, breathing. Slow, conscious breathing helps release tension and prepares your body to receive the sound. So let's begin. If you can, sit somewhere quiet, take a few deep breaths. Close your eyes if you feel like, and keep a calm, open mindset. Let the sound now guide you to a very peaceful space. Just relax and enjoy. All right, you have just given your body and mind a moment to breathe, reset, and return to balance. I believe life after 40 can be light, healthy, and full of energy. That's why I wrote a free PDF guide for you, a man over 40, called The Power of Positive Living. You will find the link in the description below. So go ahead and grab your copy now. And if you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe and check out the next video where I will show you how to boost your energy naturally using rhythm. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.